Hello, I'm Ed Dulzer with the Process Technology Technical Support Team. I'm here in the High Purity Product Testing area to show you the features available on the maintenance menu of a Lufran water heater. The maintenance menu can be accessed through the main operating menu here. When a maintenance item requires attention, this button is going to be highlighted in yellow. Here's a list of different items which should be inspected occasionally in the Lufran water heater. On the right side, you can see the amount of time elapsed between inspections. When the timing is up for one of these items to be inspected, the green field is going to become yellow. This will tell the technician it's time to inspect the liquid level sensor, or inspect the process sensors, or inspect the leak detector. After the technician inspects the item and confirms it's operating as normal, they can press the complete button and it will reset the timer. And that's how you can utilize the maintenance menu in a Lufran water heater. Thank you.